Hello. Assuming you are given this kind of problem, what will you say the answer is? Is it 1, 3 divided by 9 divided by this 4 divided by 12? 3 here 1, 3 here 3, 4 here 1, 4 here 3, so 1 over 3 divided by 1 over 3, which is 1. Is this the correct answer? This is not the correct answer, you are wrong. So let me show you how to get the correct answer using the right order of operation. So assuming you are given this kind of problem to solve, we have more than one division in this expression. This is one expression, but to have 3 divisions in one expression: the first division, the second division, and the third, which is the last division. So according to the order of operation, since we have more than one division in one expression, we have to work from left to right. So you have to do this first division first, second, and third. So 3 divided by 9 will be 1 over 3. This is how we get this. 3 here, 1, 3 here, 3. So divided by 4 divided by 12. Here now you have to make use of KCF law. KCF law. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. You have to keep the first fraction. You change this division sign to multiplication and flip this second fraction. So as you are flipping the second fraction, since you have another extra fraction, so you have to still flip the other fraction after the second fraction. So you will keep this one, flip this one, and also flip this one. This is what I mean. 1 over 3 divided by 1 over 4. 1 over 3 multiply, because you have flipped it. So since you have flipped it, this division sign, if you flip it, it will be multiplication. So since you have flipped it here, it will be 1 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 4 multiplied by 1 over 12. So 3 multiplied by 4 will give you what? 12. So 1 over 12 multiplied by 1 over 12. So 12 multiplied by 12 will give you what? 144. So the correct answer is 1 over 144. 1 over 144. This is the correct answer for this problem. Please subscribe. Bye.